What I'm going to do is to just give a few notes, and this is from a book I'm preparing called Letters to a Young Scientist. And I thought it'd be appropriate to present it on the basis that I have had extensive experience in teaching counseling sciences across the broad array of fields. And you might like to hear some of the principles that I've developed in doing that teaching and counseling. So let me begin by urging you, particularly you on the youngster side, on this path you've chosen, to go as far as you can. The world needs you badly. Humanity is now fully into the techno-scientific age. There's going to be no turning back. Although varying among disciplines, say astrophysics, molecular genetics, immunology, the microbiology, the public health, to the new area of the human body as a symbiont, to public health, environmental science, knowledge in medical science, and science overall is doubling every 15 to 20 years. Technology is increasing at a comparable rate. Between them, the two already pervade, as most of you here seated realize, every dimension of human life. So swift is the velocity of the techno-scientific revolution, so startling in its countless twists and turns that no one can predict its outcome, even a decade from the present moment. There'll come a time, of course, when the exponential growth of discovery and knowledge, which actually began in the 1600s,